back to our YouTube channel, igboclass.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about what we call the different meals, the different foods we eat in Igbo. So go nowhere, because I know you don't know what a potato is called. I know you don't know what bread is called. Sit down, relax, and enjoy as we unleash what we have for you today. Names of different foods in Igbo. First of all, we have osikapa, 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 which is a rice, rice. Agwa, agwa, beans, agwa, beans. Ji, ji, yam, ji, yam. So yam is literally 2-letter words, J and I. Ji, yam. We have achicha, 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 which is bread, bread. Achicha, bread. Ede, ede, cocoyam, ede, cocoyam. Apple, apple, cassava, apple, cassava. Then we have ukwa, ukwa, breadfruit, ukwa, breadfruit. This is a very luxurious food in Igbo land. Once you are served ukwa, you are considered a dignitary in any event or occasion. Akamu, pap, that's the pap made from corn, oka. Akamu, pap. Jioko, jioko, or some people call it ogede. Jioko or ogede. Jioko or ogede. Whenever you hear this, we are talking of plantain, plantain. Jioko or ogede, plantain. Nduku, nduku, nduku. Potatoes. Akidi, akidi, black beans. Akidi, black beans. Oka, corn or maize, corn or maize. Abacha, abacha, African salad. Abacha, African salad. Aqua, aqua, egg. Opa, cowpea, opa, cowpea. Mmiri ara ehi, mmiri ara ehi. Milk, milk. Akara, akara. Beans cake, akara, beans cake. Akara is made from beans. Anu, anu, meat, anu, meat. I need some meat. Achọrọ m anụ. Unere, unere, unere. Banana, ero, mushroom, ero, mushroom. Azụ, fish, azụ, fish. This brings us to the end of our video today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.